of life, the cell has signs of life. What are the signs and the characteristics of life? Number one, the cell is able to maintain homeostasis. That's one sign. Number two, the cell is able to movement, locomotion with the appendages that it has, the cilia and the flagella. Number three, the cell is able to do metabolism. Those are signs of life. That's why the virus is considered dead, because it cannot, it is unable to meet any of these characteristics of the life. The cell is very compartmentalized. The cell has a cell membrane, plasma membrane. This plasma membrane is like a universe. A universe because number one, it's very diverse in what's embedded on it. There's many peripheral proteins. There's many plasma um, glycolipids, glycoproteins. There are many different transmembrane proteins and enzymes, cell adhesion molecules, cell adhesion proteins. So all of this is like a universe. See, if you look now in space, you will see that the galaxy is not, the stars are not stopping. There's a lot of movement happening. The comets, the meteoroids, you will see there is the constellations. Same thing, you take a photo with a telescope of what's happening in space now. If you take another photo 1 minute later, you're going to see it's a different. So the same thing is with the plasma membrane. It's not static. The plasma membrane is dynamic. Plasma membrane is moving. The other universe is the cytoplasm, because it has a lot of, the cytoplasm we said is the swimming pool, and what's swimming and what's, so you have the cytoplasm, the swimming pool. Swimming pool is made up of the water and the rubber duckies. So we see here the cytoplasm is made up of this colloid, the colloid fluid, and what's swimming on the surface of the colloid fluid is the organelles. These are the rubber duckies. So you see the cell has organelles. And then the last compartment is the nucleus. Now we're getting into the nucleus. The nucleus has the DNA. This DNA is the genetic code. The DNA is a nucleic acid. So the DNA is a polymer. The DNA is a huge, massive polymer. We discussed polymers. Polymers are made up from, what are polymers made up of? Monomers. So if we